Swing traders are 10 times more likely to be profitable over day traders. Here's why, and if you should make the switch. No, we are considering you profitable if you exceed the yearly average returns the stock market typically gives, which is between 8 to 12%. So the first thing is going to be, because you are trading on the higher time frames, spreads and commission are going to be less of an impact than if you are day trading and scalping. This does equal to increasing your edge as a trader. Very important that people don't understand. Also, because you are swing trading looking at the higher time frames, this tends to be where less volatility is, less liquidations, where prices like just wick you out, then reverse and hit your take profit. Prices will get you filled, okay? Higher probability trades typically on the higher time frame, which also is higher returns and also a higher win rate. The second thing is going to be the lifestyle and maturity of the trader. Typically, people who are looking at swing trading are working a 9-to-5 job. They're busy with their life. They're going to school. They have a family. They don't have time to be looking at the charts 6 hours a day and do all this studying. So they maybe look at the markets 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour at night, and that's their times that they set their orders. Because of this, you also stand a higher chance of not making an emotional decision in your trading. When you're looking at those lower time frames, it can be very emotional looking at the charts tick up and down. When you take a step back, you're busy with your 9-to-5 job, you don't have time to worry about the crazy price action going on every single minute. So when you account for all these types of things, this increases your edge as a trader, and why traders have so much more success when they're swing trading over day trading. So maybe you should look to make this switch. I know it's a conversation that I have with the traders that I work with. I say, great, let's stick you on a day trading account, but let's also have a swing trading going in the background so we can review and to see what makes you the most amount of money.
Here's how you can start trading smart and finally pass your prop firm challenge. If you're 18 to 35, listen up. First thing you're going to do is grab the PipsGravity Mastermind Trading Plan, link in bio. Once you're in, go straight to the market structure section so you can finally read the charts like a pro. Next, dive into the liquidity and fair value gap chapters. This is where you'll learn how the big banks move the market and how to catch the move before it happens. Then, use our entry technique guide to time your trades with sniper accuracy. No more random entries, no more gambling. Finally, follow our trade management steps to protect profits and scale your account steadily. If you're tired of blowing accounts and failing challenges, this is your wake-up call. PipsGravity Mastermind. Get it now and start trading like the top 1%.